Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. Today we'll try to discuss about how to create a blank solution in Visual Studio. So let's try to discuss. So first of all, what I do is I'll try to go here and then try to mention it as a blank solution. So once I try to mention it as a blank solution in this case, so I'll just try to click on the next option. So in this next option, I'll try to mention it maybe a web APIs because I want to create a simple web API. So I want to just mention my project name as web APIs and the location where I just want to keep my project, which is Go Get My Guru Azure DevOps, and go here and then I'll try to replace my location. So once I replace my location, so this is what the blank solution name which I just kept it. Simply I'll just go here and then try to click on create option. The moment I click on the create option, Visual Studio will create a basic template for us, and this is what the basic template. So let me just click on the solution explorer. So once I click on the solution explorer in this case, so it's try to create a simple blank solution. So this is what we call it as a blank solution. So on top of this blank solution, what we can do is we can go ahead and then we can create different web APIs. Please subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Like our videos, support us.